Now the upper end of the engine, we got 30 over reboard cylinders. All of them have been checked inside of the correct inside of a thousandths of an inch taper roundness and diameter. We have resized rods. We have new eggy pistons. These were also, all the connecting rods were balanced as well to within a gram, and then all of the pistons were checked and they were all dead on inside of a gram. So when you measure all these together, I measured a max difference for the piston and the rod to be 2 grams max difference. So that's pretty good. And then we're going to put some Hastings rings on there, and I think I said it was 30 over. So let's take a look here. So you see there, 30 over. Okay, so this is what's going to go on the car. And we have new standard bearings, new push rod O-rings, new, I'm using 54 thousandths thick head gaskets, and that describes this part of the engine. So just checking one ring gap, and they all look about the same. This one is 14 thousandths, which is good. Resized rods, new connecting rod bearings, 30 over rebored and honed cylinders, new eggy pistons.